What if the most overlooked health solution for seniors was sitting in your kitchen cupboard right now? Not a supplement, not a fancy superfood, but something as ordinary as baking soda. Yes, that little white powder you use for baking cookies or freshening the fridge might just hold key to kidney protection, better medication absorption, stronger muscles, even a more balanced pH. So why don't we hear more about it? Because it's cheap, it's natural, and it can't be patented. The truth is, many remedies that could ease the struggles of aging are kept quietly in the background. Not because they don't work, but because they don't sell. But here's where it gets really interesting. Recent research is uncovering just how powerful baking soda can be, especially for seniors. From easing acid reflux to supporting long-term kidney health, from improving exercise endurance to reducing inflammation, the benefits are real, and they're growing harder to ignore. In today's video, we're diving into 9 science-backed benefits of baking soda for seniors, and number 7 might completely shift the way you think about aging. If you're ready to take control of your health, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us where you're watching from. Let's rethink aging naturally. Alright, let's kick off the list with the first surprising benefit of baking soda for seniors, and trust me, it's a big one: kidney function support. As we age, our kidneys face an uphill battle against declining function, and here's something remarkable that might surprise you: that ordinary baking soda in your pantry could be their secret weapon. When kidney efficiency drops with advancing years, these vital organs struggle to eliminate acidic waste products from your bloodstream, creating a dangerous buildup that silently damages your entire system. Sodium bicarbonate works like nature's own cleanup crew, swooping in to neutralize these harmful acids before they wreak havoc on your body. The bicarbonate compounds directly combat metabolic acidosis, a condition where excess acid accumulates faster than your weakened kidneys can process it. This acidic environment doesn't just stress your kidneys, it literally steals calcium from your bones to buffer the acid, accelerates muscle wasting, and triggers inflammatory responses throughout your body. By restoring proper pH balance, baking soda reduces the toxic burden on your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently while protecting your bones, preserving muscle mass, and supporting overall metabolic health that becomes increasingly precious with each passing year. Next, number 2, exercise performance enhancement. That burning sensation in your muscles during physical activity isn't just discomfort, it's lactic acid accumulation telling your body to quit. As we age, our muscles become less efficient at buffering these acidic byproducts, which means shorter workouts, quicker fatigue, and diminished strength gains. Sodium bicarbonate transforms this biological limitation by creating an alkaline environment that neutralizes lactic acid buildup before it can sabotage your performance. When you consume baking soda before exercise, bicarbonate ions flood your bloodstream and penetrate muscle tissue, acting like tiny molecular sponges that absorb excess hydrogen ions responsible for that muscle-burning sensation. This buffering effect extends your anaerobic threshold, allowing seniors to maintain higher intensity exercise for longer periods, without the overwhelming fatigue that typically cuts workouts short. The enhanced pH balance also accelerates recovery between sets, reduces post-exercise soreness, and maintains muscle contractility when it would normally decline. Professional athletes have used this strategy for decades, but seniors can harness the same physiological advantage to reclaim their physical vitality and exercise capacity. Next, number 3, heartburn and acid reflux relief. Every senior knows the uncomfortable reality of digestive changes that come with aging. Your stomach produces less protective mucus, while acid production remains stubbornly high, creating the perfect storm for chronic heartburn and acid reflux. What's fascinating is how baking soda becomes your digestive system's best friend during these challenging years. Sodium bicarbonate works as an immediate acid neutralizer, transforming harsh stomach acid into harmless salt and carbon dioxide within minutes of consumption. Unlike antacids that merely coat your stomach temporarily, baking soda actually changes the chemical composition of excess acid, providing genuine relief rather than masking symptoms. The sodium bicarbonate molecules directly react with hydrochloric acid in your stomach, creating an instant buffering effect that stops the burning sensation from traveling up your esophagus. This chemical reaction not only eliminates current discomfort, but also reduces inflammation in your esophageal lining, allowing damaged tissues to heal properly. For seniors dealing with weakened lower esophageal sphincters, this natural alkalizing action provides crucial protection against the erosive effects of repeated acid exposure. Next, number 4. Oral health improvement. Behind every confident smile lies a battlefield where harmful bacteria wage war against your teeth and gums. And for seniors, this battle becomes increasingly challenging as saliva production decreases with age. What many don't understand is how baking soda's alkaline properties create an inhospitable environment for the acid-producing bacteria that cause tooth decay and gum disease. These pathogenic microorganisms thrive in acidic conditions, secreting lactic acid that literally dissolves tooth enamel and inflames gum tissue. Sodium bicarbonate disrupts this destructive cycle by neutralizing bacterial acids and raising the pH level in your mouth to a healthier alkaline state. The mechanical action of baking soda's fine crystalline structure also provides gentle abrasion that removes stubborn plaque biofilms without damaging delicate enamel surfaces. For seniors dealing with dry mouth syndrome, baking soda stimulates saliva production, while its antimicrobial properties reduce harmful bacterial populations that cause persistent bad breath and periodontal inflammation, ultimately preserving both tooth structure and supporting tissue health throughout the golden years. Next, number 5. UTI Symptom Management. Urinary tract infections strike seniors with alarming frequency, creating painful episodes that disrupt daily life and compromise quality of living. What many don't understand is how baking soda's alkalizing properties create an inhospitable environment for harmful bacteria thriving in acidic urine. When sodium bicarbonate enters your system, it fundamentally alters your urinary pH levels, shifting them from acidic to more alkaline conditions, where pathogenic microorganisms simply cannot flourish. This pH transformation doesn't just inhibit bacterial growth, it actively reduces the inflammatory response, causing those intense burning sensations and urgent bathroom trips that plague older adults. The bicarbonate compounds work systematically throughout your urinary tract, neutralizing acidic byproducts that fuel infection symptoms while simultaneously soothing irritated bladder walls. For seniors dealing with recurring UTI, this natural alkalizing effect provides dual protection by both preventing bacterial adhesion to urinary tract tissues and reducing the acidic environment that allows infections to persist, offering genuine relief without the harsh side effects often associated with conventional treatments. Next, number 6. Skin condition relief. Aging skin becomes increasingly vulnerable to irritation, itching, and inflammatory conditions that can make daily life uncomfortable for millions of seniors. What's fascinating is how sodium bicarbonate works as a natural pH balancer, creating an environment where harmful bacteria and fungi simply cannot thrive on your skin's surface. As we age, our skin's natural acid mantle weakens, allowing opportunistic microorganisms to cause persistent rashes, eczema flare-ups, and stubborn fungal infections. Baking soda's alkaline properties restore your skin's protective barrier by neutralizing excess acidity that triggers inflammatory responses. The bicarbonate molecules penetrate damaged skin cells, reducing cellular inflammation at the source, while simultaneously drawing out toxins and impurities that accumulate in aging pores. This dual action mechanism explains why seniors experience dramatic relief from chronic skin conditions like dermatitis, age spots, and persistent itching. The antimicrobial properties of sodium bicarbonate eliminate disease-causing pathogens, while its gentle exfoliating action removes dead skin cells, revealing healthier, more resilient skin underneath that better withstands environmental stresses. Next, number 7. Muscle soreness reduction. Your muscles used to bounce back faster. A long walk, a bit of gardening, maybe even a round of golf, your body could handle it all. But these days, the soreness lingers. It creeps in after even the simplest activities, turning everyday movement into a slow, aching chore. For many seniors, muscle fatigue isn't just uncomfortable, it's discouraging. But here's something quietly powerful that may change that: baking soda. Hidden in your kitchen cabinet is a natural compound that science has shown can help buffer the acid that builds up in your muscles during physical activity. As we age, our body's ability to clear out lactic acid slows down. That's what leads to that deep, burning soreness. Baking soda helps neutralize this acid, reducing the strain and allowing your muscles to recover more smoothly. It's like giving your body a helping hand from the inside, supporting movement, flexibility, and confidence without the crash that often follows effort. Next, number 8, blood pH balance. Some mornings, your body feels a little heavier, not just from age, but from something deeper and invisible imbalance inside. As we grow older, the internal environment of our body subtly shifts. Our blood becomes slightly more acidic, a change so quiet you'd never notice it yet. It can affect everything from energy to joint comfort. And here's where a humble kitchen staple, baking soda, enters the story. It's more than a cooking agent. In small, safe amounts, sodium bicarbonate helps neutralize that creeping acidity, supporting a more stable blood pH. When your blood leans too acidic, even slightly, your muscles may feel weaker, inflammation may rise, and your kidneys work harder than they should. But maintaining balance, like restoring harmony in a song, can help your body function with more ease. For seniors, this means clearer thinking, steadier steps, and a little more vitality, all from a simple shift in the chemistry beneath your skin. Next, number 9, enhanced medication absorption. You've been taking your medications faithfully day after day, yet the results seem underwhelming. The numbers on your blood pressure monitor barely budge. Your joint stiffness lingers like an unwanted guest. For many older adults, this isn't uncommon, and it's not just the medications, it's your stomach. As we age, the stomach's acid levels often decline, a condition called hypochlorhydria. And here's the twist. That acid is essential for breaking down medications, especially ones that rely on a low pH to dissolve and absorb properly. When acidity drops, those pills can pass through your system only partially activated, like a match never struck. This is where baking soda steps in with quiet power. By temporarily adjusting the stomach's pH balance, it can help create the right environment for certain medications to be absorbed more efficiently. Better absorption means your body receives more of what it needs, fewer side effects, stronger results, and a real chance at feeling better. Next, how to take baking soda safely for maximum benefit. If you're considering using baking soda to support your health, especially in your senior years, timing, dosage, and duration matter more than you might think. The standard method used in many clinical settings is to dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a full glass of water, about 4 to 6 ounces. This mild solution is typically taken once or twice a day, either on an empty stomach or at least 1 to 2 hours away from meals and medications, depending on the purpose. For enhanced medication absorption, some studies suggest taking it 20 to 30 minutes before medication, but only if the drug's absorption is known to be pH sensitive and always under medical supervision. For kidney support, metabolic acidosis, or urinary health, this low dose is often continued daily for weeks or even months, monitored through regular blood tests to avoid imbalances. Overuse can strain the body's delicate sodium and potassium balance, especially in older adults, so it's crucial to monitor how your body responds and to take breaks if needed. The goal is gentle support, not shock therapy. Keep it simple, consistent, and safe. Next, who should avoid baking soda? While baking soda may seem harmless, it's in your kitchen. After all, using it regularly as a remedy isn't safe for everyone, especially in older age. If you have high blood pressure, heart disease, or are on a low-sodium diet, caution is essential. Baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate, and even small amounts can significantly raise your sodium levels, leading to fluid retention, swelling, or even worsening hypertension. Seniors with congestive heart failure or kidney disease must be especially careful. While baking soda has shown benefits for mild kidney issues, those with advanced kidney dysfunction may struggle to process the added sodium, risking dangerous electrolyte imbalances. People taking diuretics, antacids, lithium, or certain blood pressure medications may also experience drug interactions. And anyone with a history of stomach ulcers, alkalosis, or digestive bleeding should avoid it entirely. Always check with your doctor before using it therapeutically. Your body's internal chemistry deserves precision, not guesswork. So now you know baking soda isn't just for baking. It's a quiet powerhouse with the potential to ease some of the most common challenges seniors face every day. But this is just one chapter in the story of natural healing. If you found today's video eye-opening, there's a whole library waiting for you right here on our channel. More remedies, more surprising truths, more tools to help you feel better, live stronger, and age with confidence. Are you using baking soda for your health? Tell us in the comments what's worked for you. What tips do you have for managing your symptoms or supporting your body naturally? Your story could help someone else. And if this information made a difference for you, even in a small way, type yes in the comments to let us know. Your support means the world. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.